How to fix an issue with messages might not appear in the Messages app on the iPhone running iOS 18. So this bug is related to iOS 18. So if you're having that problem where you don't receive messages on the iPhone, then what you want to do is simply restart your iPhone. So press and hold on the side button and the power button, and the volume up button. So press and hold. Then swipe across to restart your device, or you can pull down the control center at the top corner here, tap on the power button. So you can't tap, you need to swipe on it. Sorry. And then swipe across. After that, after a few seconds, press and hold on the side button or the power button to turn on your device. Now after rebooting the device, you should see your messages coming into your Messages app. And this workaround should fix the problem until you update your software. So you may want to go and download the latest software update on your iPhone. So regularly go into settings, then we scroll down and tap on general and then tap on software update and check for any newer update. If there is a new update, it might fix the bug. So you want to simply tap on the update now button to fix the bug. And that's it. So tap on update now and then enter the passcode, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.